So this is my review on the Invision PC single monitor arm. I'll leave a link in the description below. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to unbox the product, relatively easy. As you can see, you get the instructions. You also get a clamp to clamp it to your desk. There's the monitor arm, and you also get a set of screws and Allen keys. So at this point we're going to remove the upper and the lower plates on the arm, so it's easy to thread the cables through, obviously just so it looks a lot more tidier. And to be honest, this wasn't difficult at all, very easy. So what we're then going to do is we're just going to add the clamp to the bottom of the arm. All it takes is 3 screws, screwed in with an Allen key. It took a little bit longer than I thought, but again, relatively easy. So at this point we're going to add the back plate to the back of the monitor. The back plate is already installed in the monitor arm. Extremely easy, just 4 screws through the back plate into the monitor and that's done. So at this point we're just going to add the monitor to the desk. Obviously, like I said, it's just a clamp, so all you do is put the monitor where you want, tighten the clamp up and it's good to go. So now all we got to do is just plug the cables in. And we're good to go. Here's a quick little demonstration of how the monitor moves. It moves obviously side to side, up and down. Also the tilt mechanism on the arm is absolutely brilliant as well. So that's my review of the Invision MX150 single monitor arm. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll also leave a link in the description to the product. Yeah, thanks guys, cheers.